being conservative is the new black right now. I never thought in my whole motherfucking lifetime this would be the realm we'd be in right now. Just think about that shit. Just think about that shit. You watch mainstream media is not your friend. It is not your fucking friend. Straight up and down. It's not your friend. You cannot get real information from them if that's your main source of information. You are fucked mentally. Your brain is just stuck on retarded, straight up and down. When we grew up, mainstream media was, it was tongue in cheek with us and shit. Like, all right, sometimes these motherfuckers, what I'm saying, they might be all right as far as telling the truth when it comes to the weather. But like real life shit was like, you know what, maybe we shouldn't be listening to these motherfuckers. Now y'all believe everything they say. So now I'm looking at some of you motherfuckers like, okay, nigga, you believe in everything they say? Like everything? Like everything? Like, yo, that doesn't mean I can't believe shit you say. You know what I'm saying? You might be the fraud in my life now. So, there's like a whole lot of shit. I mean, today, in today's times and shit, man, if you don't have a brain of your own, I can't fuck with you. Straight up and down. Like, you gotta cross the street, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't fuck with you. Cross the street. Straight up. I can't, you know what I'm saying? And the proof is in the pudding. Like a lot of these motherfuckers, a lot of these states and shit is starting to reverse their so-called little mandate shit. You know, like, because they know they was wrong and shit. And a lot of these motherfuckers is like, yeah, yo, we was doing this for motherfucking votes and shit anyway. And, you know, we ain't got no reason to do it right now until the primaries is coming up in about a year. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a whole lot of other shit, you know. Primaries is coming in about a year and shit, so it's gonna be, you know, what side are you on, one way or another. And some of these motherfuckers have even reverted to the point of lying. Like, you know what? Even though I'm a liberal, I'm gonna pretend like I'm a Republican. Even though I'm a Republican, I'm gonna pretend like I'm a liberal. It has gotten that bad. And they have the nerve to hate on, shit on, and try to cancel Joe Rogan. You know what? I support Joe Rogan. That nigga real and shit. That nigga spits real shit. I support Joe Rogan. Y'all should too. Because that nigga tell the truth about what the fuck is going on and shit. The problem is the rest of society does not. And we are stuck in the rest of society and we are being fucked right now. So and for all you divestment heifers that don't want to fuck with black men, you hoes are liars and shit. Because if that was the case, you would just do it and not talk about us. You would just disappear and vanish and not talk about us. Why are we the subject of your conversation? That says a lot right now that you heifers are fucking liars. just mad that we divested long before you did. Now now all of a sudden, don't date black men. Well, black men have been checking out on y'all. Now all of a sudden y'all want to put it out in the open. Well, y'all are too late. We've done it already. We've done it already. So if y'all mean what y'all say, keep our names out of y'all mouth. But y'all can't because they're not creative enough. Very interesting. You hate black men, but you talk about black men all the time. That's very interesting. And then you get mad at us because we talk about y'all, but we're not talking about y'all in the realm of we want y'all. We talk about y'all dysfunction and shit. We accept ours and we talk about ours because we're men. That's what we do. We accept responsibility. But y'all, the black women, for some reason, y'all think y'all have no responsibility in the working society. Very interesting. So you think you could throw a rock at a window and it shouldn't break because you have no accountability. You should burn a wood chip, light a fire to a wood chip, and it shouldn't burn because there's no accountability. Fuck out of here. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. I'm chilling right now because I'm on a lot of other projects. I'm doing a lot of other projects and I'm doing a lot of other shit right now. But I will cook you heifers real soon. I will cook the fuck out of y'all real soon. So I might only drop a video here and there. Whatever. Enjoy for now. Because sooner or later, I'll be done with all those other projects. And I will be back to roast the fuck out of y'all like y'all should be. We're in Blizzard. We're in 7. Take how you want to take it. Fuck it.